Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool miss right here, and basically what this is a moisture absorber hanging bag. So you can definitely actually hang this into like your closet, your storage room, or basically anywhere that has a lot of moisture. So basically think about it, it basically works as a dehumidifier, which is pretty awesome. And they give you guys some options right here in terms of where to use as well. So it's a closet, bathroom, laundry room, pantry, storage, or even bedroom as well. And we turn on this side here, they provide guys some more information about the product as well. And then right here is basically instructions to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. And then on this side, they provide you guys some tips in terms of how to actually use it and how not to use it. But that is basically everything that's on the package right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically actually looks like inside. So you definitely see there's a lot inside right here. Because we got the one that has 14 pack inside right here. So basically all of them work the same way. But I'm actually take out one of them to show you guys what actually looks like. So when you guys first take it out, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like inside right here. So you can see how I actually tell you guys that it's a moisture absorbing bag that is hanging back as well. But this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it. And this is what the back part looks like. And the bottom part right here, they do mention how it's actually fragrance free as well. So you don't have to worry about any fragrance on here. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first take it out. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like and how to use it first. Alright, so when you guys take it out, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like right here. So they do give you guys a hang option on top right here. So that way it's actually hang onto a pole into a room or whatever. And then right here is the ingredients or the material that they use on here to actually absorb all the moisture inside. And then all the liquid will actually fall down here. And then for this hook option right here, if you guys want to open it up and you use another bag, so that way it's actually use the same hook over and over, you definitely have that option available. But basically for all 14 of these bags right here, they already have it built in, so you don't have to worry about saving it or anything. But definitely really cool how they have a transparent option right here, so that way you actually see like the liquid and everything. Usually around like 1 to 3 days, you can definitely start seeing some of the liquid in here already if there's a lot of moisture in your room. And for those of you guys who saw my previous video, I reviewed a bunch of these moisture absorber bags, and they always work really well. I also compared a few of these right here compared to like the moisture absorber cups, and those don't really work that well. And usually after 1 month, all these like particles inside or these material right here, they usually all disappear because it melts down into the actual liquid in the bottom part right here once it finishes absorbing the moisture, which is pretty awesome. So for those of you guys who've never seen that video before, let me show you guys really quick of what I mean, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have the Vac Plus moisture absorbing bag. If you can see, this is basically what it actually looks like. So when you guys first get the product, all you guys see is this little ball inside, and this part was completely empty. But after 2 weeks, you guys can see there's so much liquid or moisture that actually absorbed into the actual product right here. And then on the side right here, we have another one from a different brand called Damp Rid. If you can see, this one actually absorbs a lot of water as well. So now that I saw that video, you can definitely see how well it works. So ranging from the Damp Rid brand to the Vac Plus brand and a few other ones available as well. There's definitely a lot of these out there available from like different brand and different design. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one I prefer. But from my experience, these small one actually works a lot better than the bigger ones that from the Damp Rid brand. I'm not saying that that doesn't work, but these smaller bag works a lot better, and that way you guys actually spread it out. You can spread 3 of them out throughout the room if you guys want to. Because basically for 3 of these bags right here, it's equivalent to one of those Damp Rid brands. But like I mentioned, after just a few days, you can definitely start seeing results already. Like even for the brand new one that I just started using from another brand, it's only been like 2 or 3 days, and that one already has a lot of moisture inside. Let me actually go bring this over to show you guys how to set it up, and also show you guys that one that I'm using right now to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys use one of these right here. So let's do that first, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so we got the bag right here. All you need to do is just hang inside right here, just like that, and you guys are basically all set. So it's super easy to use it. All you need to do is hang anywhere where there's moisture and just let it do its own thing. If you can see the other one that we got right here from this brand right here, it absorbed a lot of moisture inside right here, and it's only been like 2 to 3 days. So I definitely do recommend using these moisture or hanging bags. It works so much better than the cups. Like here are one of the cups that I have from the Vac Plus brand. If you can see, I put this for around 1 month, and that's all the liquid that it has so far. So I barely absorb any moisture on here. Compared to these hanging bags right here, they work so well. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys set it up. Definitely looks pretty nice and super easy to use. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the video. You can definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. So when you guys see the one that I'm currently using right now, that one actually works really well. And like I mentioned, that's only been like 2 or 3 days since I actually started hanging that. So you can totally imagine how well this will work as well. So basically, if you guys have like a lot of moisture wherever you guys are planning to put this, you can definitely start seeing the result like instantly after like a few days, or even just after 1 day. And these are so convenient because you guys can actually hang it anywhere you guys want to. As long as there's like a pole or somewhere where you guys actually hang it, then you can definitely put this anywhere you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these moisture absorber bags, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys have a lot of moisture in your room or wherever you guys want to put this, and you want to absorb those moisture, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it in that situation. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.